Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Elon Musk courted to build a Tesla factory in Turkey. Tesla Cybertruck spotted charging at 50,000th Supercharger. Tesla brings back factory tours through the Referral program. And Tesla Model 3 powered Liftgate Retrofit now available. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla CEO Elon Musk met with Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in New York recently. Reports say that the two discussed a range of topics, and Erdogan apparently encouraged Musk to build Tesla's next gigafactory in Turkey. The meeting took place at the Turkey House in New York City, as reported by the country's Directorate of Communications (ARNEX). The agency said that Erdogan called for Tesla to establish its seventh factory in Turkey, along with discussions surrounding SpaceX and the country's digital vision and national artificial intelligence strategy initiatives. Musk also brought his baby to the meeting, as can be seen from the photos and videos. According to Maziniuk, the meeting only lasted about 45 minutes. Erdogan also gifted Musk two books, which includes UN Reform, a new approach to international cooperation, written by the Turkish Directorate of Communications, and A Fairer World is Possible, written by Erdogan himself. The Turkish president is currently in New York to attend the United Nations General Assembly, which is set to begin on Tuesday. Tesla began delivering its Model Y vehicles in Turkey in May, despite initially planning to launch all four vehicles in the country last year. The US automaker also launched its first design studio and Supercharger stations in Turkey in April, seeming to indicate that the company's vehicles would be launching in the country soon. Currently, Tesla's Model 3, Model S, and Model X vehicles aren't available in Turkey, and going to the country's order configurator for these cars only lets users press a Get Updates button. These buttons are shown instead of the Order Now and Test Drive buttons that can be seen on Turkey's Model Y order configurator. Musk also offered help to Turkey with SpaceX's Starlink internet earlier this year after a deadly earthquake struck the country, leaving thousands of casualties. Starlink isn't yet approved in Turkey, and a Turkish official subsequently denied the request, thanking Musk for the offer. Moving to the next update, Tesla Cybertruck spotted charging at 50,000th Supercharger. The forthcoming Tesla Cybertruck has been spotted in several US locations over the past few weeks, ahead of the electric pickup's official launch. Recently, the Cybertruck was seen at Tesla's special 50,000th Supercharger stall, which was revealed last week and given a unique paint job. The photo of the Cybertruck charging at the Roseville, California Supercharger was originally posted on Facebook and was shared on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum. Notably, the Cybertruck includes a Texas dealer's license plate and the release candidate diesels seen on many of the pre-production trucks spotted in recent weeks. In the photo, the Cybertruck appears in front of Tesla's ultra-red painted Supercharger stall, which the automaker shared a photo of last week without saying where it was located. Before long, the charging stall's location was revealed to be at a Roseville Supercharger station. The photo makes the Cybertruck look pretty massive, as it's backed into the supercharging spot to charge. Some commenters on a Reddit post with the image aired concerns about supercharger cables being stretched by Cybertrucks, as the pictured unit looks to be parked a few inches away from the charging stall. The Cybertruck was also captured driving away by the picture's original photographer. The sighting is just the latest, ahead of the Cybertruck's first deliveries and before the highly anticipated electric pickup enters mass production next year. One tally shows that over 2 million Cybertruck reservations have been made since the vehicle's unveiling in 2019, based on reservation numbers and some self-reported reservations. Currently, only two things stand in the way of the Cybertruck going from pre-production to actual production and initial deliveries: crash testing results from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and an official certificate of conformity. Moving to the next update, Tesla brings back factory tours through the Referral program. Tesla has brought back factory tours for owners, this time also expanding the program to their newer factories. Owners can now redeem referral credits for a factory tour of Fremont, Giga Texas, or Giga Berlin. Tesla used to offer tours of their Fremont factory at no cost to any owner, once per year. 4 tours were offered daily from Monday to Friday, with each one lasting about 60 minutes. Owners were guided through parts of the factory in an electric cart or trolley, similar to what is used for tours at places like Disneyland and Universal Studios. Like many other things, the tours were cancelled when the COVID-19 pandemic struck North America in 2020. A year later, CEO Elon Musk said the tours would restart, probably in a few months, but 2 years later, and they had still not returned. Now they are back, and owners can get tours of Fremont, Giga Texas, or if you live in Europe, Giga Berlin. The cost is 15,000 referral credits, meaning you will need at least 2 referrals to be able to redeem. The fine print of the reward says you and up to 3 guests will receive a walking tour of one of the 3 factories. Travel and accommodation are not included, and tours are also restricted to those 12 years of age or older. Importantly, no photos or videos will be allowed. Once you have redeemed, Tesla will reach out to you within 5 business days with more information about scheduling your tour. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model 3 powered Liftgate retrofit now available. Tesla is now offering a powered Liftgate retrofit to Model 3 owners. The upgrade is now available on the Tesla shop. The Model 3 powered Liftgate retrofit costs $800, including shipment to the customer's preferred Tesla service center and installation. The upgrade is available for Model 3 vehicles with a manual liftgate and produced before 2021. Tesla rolled out the powered liftgate feature during the 2020 Model 3 refresh. So, this retrofit would target older Model 3 units in the United States. Tesla China started offering Model 3 powered liftgate retrofits in 2022 for around $547. The Model 3 retrofit enables owners to control their liftgate through the Tesla app, the vehicle's touchscreen, or a button on the liftgate. You can stop a powered trunk while it is moving by single-clicking the rear trunk button on the key fob accessory. Then, when you double-click the rear trunk button, it moves again, but in the opposite direction. For example, if you single-click to stop the powered trunk while it is opening, when you double-click, it closes, states Tesla in the manual. Model 3 owners can adjust the opening height of the powered liftgate. Depending on configuration, your vehicle's rear trunk can open up to approximately 6.5 feet. Adjust the rear trunk height to prevent it from coming into contact with low ceilings or other objects, cautions Tesla. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.